Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we will discuss more on Pythagoras theorem, and in the previous session, we have discussed this square area, this length is square, and this length is square is equal to this length is square. So this was 64 centimeters. So this 6 centimeters square is basically 36 centimeters square. So we add this 64 centimeters square plus 36 centimeters square, and we will get this 100 centimeters square. So from this 100 centimeters square, this length is basically 10 centimeters. So on taking the square root, we get this 10 centimeters. So this is if this is A, this is B, and this is C, then A square is equal to B square plus C square. So this A square is equal to B square plus C square. This is basically the Pythagoras theorem, simple form. So we will discuss this in this session. And exercise is 36.3. For each of the triangle in this exercise, find the length of side marked with a letter, and we have to find this length. So we will take the square of this and then this, and then under root of that. So we will have this values. Similarly for this one and for this one. So let's solve this in. So we have already calculated that this A square is equal to B square plus C square. So for this we have this square, this square is equal to this square. So on taking a square root, then this A side is equal to 5 square and 10 square under root. This is 25 and 100. So this is 125, and we take the square root and we get this 11.18 centimeters square. Similarly for this one, 64, and this 120, and this is 11.31 centimeter. Similarly for this one, so this is 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter square. This is 169, that this gives 13 centimeters. So this length is 13 centimeter. Similarly for this one, now this side is 9 centimeters, and this is 7 centimeters. So we'll subtract from 9 centimeter square to 7 centimeter square. So this is 81 and 49, this is 32, and this length is 32 under root 32, which is 5.66 centimeters. Similarly for this one, from 30 centimeters square, from 8 cm square, so this 8 square and 30 square, we have this 836, on taking square root, and we'll get this 28.9. So this is 28.91 centimeter. Similarly for this part A, here we have 5 centimeter and this 3 meters, and we take this square and this square. So this is 25 meter square, and this is 9 meter square. So 25 meter square, 9 meter square, which is 34 under root, and this length is basically 5.83 meters, because this is meter, this is meter, so it should be in meters, and this should be largest of these two. Similarly for this 25 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter, taking square of this and this, 25 square minus 7 square, so the difference is 576, and by taking the square root we have this 24. Since this is centimeters, so this would be in centimeters. And similarly for this question number 11, here we have 7.2 meters, and this is x, and this is 11.8. This is hypotenuse, so 11.8 square, and this is 7.2 square, and we have this 9.35 meters. So this is meter, this is meter, so this length should be in meters. Similarly for this one, from this square to this square, subtract from here to here and taking square root, so we'll get this. Since this is in centimeters, so units is centimeter. So that's all from this topic. In the next session we will discuss 36.4.